on this video today, I'm going to show step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing using extremely cheap traffic source. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience to get started. Everything is simple and it requires low investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using Teespring. Teespring is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can join Teespring. Once you create your accounts and join, the next step is that you have to find a product to promote. But before I show you the product that you can promote, let me refresh my page so that you can see everything. Let me click on update. As you can see, everything has been updated and you can see the figures still remain the same. To find a product to promote on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are all products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money from home. There are many of them, so you can select any kind of product that you want and then promote it. There are many kind of different products that you can promote on this platform. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. If you want a specific category of products, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see digital products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see they have subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see they have animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, and many other products that you can promote. You can see they have computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing, family and children, fashion, fiction, and a whole lot of different category of data products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Any kind of data product that you want, you can click on the category. Once you click on it, you get an available product that you can promote. For example, if you want to promote products under personal development, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, personal development. Once you click on it, you can see the available products that you can promote. This one, for example, the commission rate is $52.54. The card conversion rate is very high. You can see it 38%. That means if you promote it, there is a high likelihood that you are going to be making a sale anytime you get people to click on your affiliate link. If you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote under the personal development category. You can see the next one, you can see another one, and many others. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting a product under the home and garden category. You can see it right here, home and garden. Let me click on it. Once you click on the home and garden, you can see many products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to earn money from home wherever you are in the world. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here. You can see it has a high commission rate. So if you are able to get up to 2 sales per day, you are going to be making over $300. If you are able to get 3 sales per day, you are even going to be making a lot of money. So all that you need to do is that you have to click on it so that you can be able to promote the product. Once you click on it, you can see this is the description of the product. When you scroll upwards, you can see they have affiliate support page. The affiliate support page is where you will find resources to promote the product. Some product owners have images, email swipes, articles, videos that you can use to promote the product. So if you need all those resources, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to know whether they have resources for you that you can use to promote the product. Apart from that, if you are new to the product, you have to also click right here, sales page. Once you click on it, you'll be able to read more about the product before you promote it. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. This is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. If you scroll down, you can see a lot of details about the product. You can see everything about the product. So your potential visitors are going to read this information. If they like the product, they can then go ahead and then make a purchase so that you can earn a commission on the Teespring. Now, once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. To get your affiliate link, you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to target a specific audience so that you can get them to purchase the product. There are two types of traffic that you can use. You can use the paid traffic source, or you can use the free traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link, even if you're a complete beginner. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is onclicker.com. This website is one of the best traffic network where you can advertise your affiliate links at a very cheap cost. You can see they have many ad formats that you can select. You can see right here, push notification, in-page push, video, pop under, banner, native, teaser. Any of the ad formats that you want, you can use it to advertise your affiliate link. They also have extremely low cost per click. You can see right here, this is the recommended cost per click, and you can see the amount is extremely low. So you get many clicks at a very cheap cost, and once you get people to purchase the product, you are going to be earning a lot of profit. As a school, you can see many details about the product, and they are trusted by big companies, as you can see right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can be able to advertise your affiliate links on this platform at a very cheap cost. To sign up for an account, click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you have to follow the prompts so that you can be able to create an account. Once you create your account and log in, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to begin creating your campaign. So click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, the next step is that you have to choose the ad format. You can see these are the different ad formats that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. In this case, I want in-page push, so select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So you can type any name that you want. Let's type garden tools. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then select the pricing. So we have cost per click. That means you have to pay per every click that you get. And we also have CPM. The CPM is cost per 1,000 impressions. If you select this option, what it means is that if 1,000 people see your ad, you have to pay. You can see cost per 1,000 impressions. So anytime you get 1,000 visits, you have to pay. The cost per click, you are going to be paying per every click that you get, and you can see cost per click gold. So if your potential visitors click on your link and then take a specific action, you have to pay. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select CPC, cost per click. I want people to click on my ad before I make payment. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see the price. So you can select the amount that you want to pay per every click that you get. You can leave it at default or you can increase it. It depends on whatever that you want. In this case, I'm going to use this amount. But if you click right here, you can see the minimum rate and traffic volume. So if you click on it, they will tell you the minimum rate that you have to enter there and the amount of traffic that you are going to get. You can also click right here, set recommended price. So if you click on it, they are going to use the recommended price. You can see this is the recommended price. You want to increase it so that we can get a lot of traffic. So let's increase it to this amount. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to create your ad. You can see ad selection. We don't have an ad. So what you have to do is that you have to create one. To create an ad, click right here, create new one. Once you click on it, you can see you have to give a name to your ad, the URL and the rest. So just give any name that you want. You can type garden tools ad. Garden tools ad. You can type something like that. Once that is done, you can see common URL. This is where you have to paste your affiliate link. So you can come back on this 24. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. What you have to do is that you have to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see URL. Paste your affiliate link here again. As you can see, that has been done. Now, once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your ad. So you can either use the name of the product or you can type any catchy title that you want. In this case, I'm going to use the name of the product. So let's highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy, you are going to come back. Once you come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to enter the description of your ad. So come back on Degree Student. Once you come back on Degree Student 4, copy the information about the product so that you can use it as your description. So highlight and copy all the details about the product. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, the next step is that you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter your description, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see graphic creative. So you have to upload images of the product that you are promoting. When you come back on Degree Student 4, you can see this is an image of the product, but we can't download it. What you have to do is that you have to search for the name of the product on Google so that we can get many images. So open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, paste the name of the product. Once you paste it, click on enter. Once you press enter, you're going to see a page like this. Select images. Once you select images, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are images of the product. Download as many as you want. In this case, we want to download this one right here. So right click on it, select save image as. Once you click on it, click on save so that you can be able to save the image onto your device. Once you save it, you have to come back on your ad. Once you come back, click right here, upload icon image so that you can be able to upload the image of the product that you are promoting. So click on it. Once you click on it, select your image and then click on open. You can see this is the image, so you can crop it. Let's crop it this way. You can crop it and then use it in your ad. Crop it the way you want. You can crop it the way you want. So crop it the way you want. Once you crop it, click on done. As you can see, that has been done. It is uploading. Now once that is done, you have to also click right here so that you can upload the same image. So click right here. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once you click on it, you have to crop your image and then click on done. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down so that you can see the preview of your ad. You can see this is the preview of your ad. This is exactly what your potential viewers are going to see before they can click on it and then purchase the product for you to make money. So you can see that is the preview of your ad. Once you enter your details, click right here save so that you can save your ad. As you can see, your ad has been successfully saved. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the ad. So scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you have an ad now, so click on it. Once you click on it, select the ad. You can see it right here. Select it. That means you have now selected an ad. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see the categories of traffic. They have adult traffic and they have mainstream traffic. In this case, we don't need adult traffic. We need mainstream traffic. So click on it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to select a specific category that is related to the product that you are promoting. So you can see home and garden right here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select home and garden, you can see if there is any related category that you can select again. There's no related category. We are going to select home and garden. Once you select home and garden, you have to scroll down. Scroll down, you can see traffic quality. We have high and we have all. So let's select all. As you can see, that has been done. You want medium quality and high quality. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see if you want to blacklist any website, you can do that. If you want to whitelist any website, you can do that. Once that is done, you have to scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down to the bottom, you can see main parameters. So you have to select the country that you are targeting. You can see if you want to target all countries, you have to leave it at a default. If you want to target a specific country, you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can be able to select a specific country. In this case, we want to target the tier 1 country. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then look for the tier 1 countries. You can see Australia. Click on it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you find Canada. You can see Canada right here. Click on it. As you can see, that has been done. So once that is done, you have to select the United States. So scroll down to the bottom so that you can select all the tier 1 countries. You can see United Kingdom. Select it. You can see United States. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to select New Zealand. So make sure you scroll upwards so that you can find New Zealand. You can see New Zealand right here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. You can select any other country that you want. For example, if you want, you can also select Netherlands. and many other countries. Any country that you want, you can select it. Now once you have selected the countries, you can select origins, connection type, but in this case we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see the language, you can see browsers, operating system. Just leave all these things at the default. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see hourly limit, that is the budget. They have hourly limit, they have daily limit, total limit. So if you want, you can enter all these details, but in this case you want to leave it at the default. You can also limit the amount of impression that you get per hour, per day, and then the total impression. You can limit the number of clicks that you get per hour, per day, and the total number of clicks that you want. In this case we are not going to do that, so just leave it at a default. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can limit the time that you want your ad to run. For example, on Monday, if you don't want your ad to run at any time of the day, you can select it. On Thursday, if you don't want your ad to run at any specific hour, you can click on it and then select it. In this case, we want our ad to run throughout the week and then at all times, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see all these things, just leave it at the default. Once that is done, you have to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on it, you can see campaign created. So your campaign has been created successfully. You can see it is loading right here. You can see your campaign right here. It is paused. It is waiting for the moderator to approve it before it can begin to run on the website for you to get people to click on your affiliate link so that they can make a purchase for you to earn money. You can see pending approval. Before your ad can run on this website for people to click on your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts. So click right here, add funds. Once you click on it, you can be able to deposit money into your accounts so that you can be getting traffic at a very cheap cost. You can see you can deposit money using all these methods of payment. You can use wire transfer, Bitcoin. If you scroll down, you can see many other methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see Coinbase. So any of these methods that you want, you can use it to deposit money into your accounts so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. If you click on credit card, you can see the minimum amount that you can deposit into your accounts is $45. You can see it right here. The minimum amount that you can deposit is $45. So if you want, you can deposit $45 or you can deposit an amount that is higher than $45. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.